Hindi naman tayo ganun klaseng tao eh.
You know, we have 5 days to go.
Presidente ng nanay mo, hindi ba entitled ang tao malaman kung sino ang pumatay kay Ninoy?
Dapat.
Tanong ko sa inyo, hanggang ngayon ba, influensado tayo ng Marcos? Andiyan pa yung BCGG. Bakit walang closure?
Wala nga.
Wala tayong closure eh.
Kayo ba, alam niyo kung sino pumatay?
Hindi.
Baka lang.
Pero
baka ilabas mo ulit.
Kung ako ang anak, hahanapin ko. Andiyan lahat yung nagbaba kay Marcos.
Oo, lahat sila.
Abay, ako, dun tayo magkakaroon ng usapan iba. Malaman ko, kahit na hindi ko kasuhan, malaman ko. Pitpiting ko lahat yung mga nandiyan nakakulong dyan para malaman ko.
On History Channel the other day, lumabas, there was a documentary about Ninoy Aquino. Ang nagsasalita pa Amerikano. I watched the whole show. I hate to say it, but it seems it's very biased. A lot of people don't seem to understand the truth of what's going on. We have 5 days to go. Now, you're trailing supposedly on the surveys, and media is telling everybody that Gordon is not going to win.
Yes.
Now,
because
I interview in the studio and have people coming out of the ceiling trying to watch the show as we're doing it. I don't seem to understand the reaction of the people and what your experiences are on the ground versus what the media is saying.
My experience on the ground...
Conspiracy yung ginagawa ng media to put you down.
I don't know.
What did you do to media that media doesn't like you?
No, I don't think media doesn't like me. I think media likes me, except that mas malaki ang ibang taong tumatakbo sa akin.
Maraming pera.
Hindi ko sinabi yan. Ikaw nagsabi niyan. Ang sinasabi ko, in this country, kaya ako bagumbayan, may pader sa utak, nalilika ang Kastila nung umupo sila yan. Ang pader na yan, tayo Indio. Hindi tayo tataas. Ngayon, nung naging malaya tayo, wala tayong social revolution that accompanied it. So, anong nangyari ngayon? Yung mga dating mayayaman na nung panahon ng Kastila, malapit sila sa mga Kastila, sila ang nagkaroon ng maraming lupa, sila ang humahawak ng ating bansa. Kaya hindi pwedeng lumaki ang Pilipino sapagkat
ang Indio dyan lang.
Correct, dyan ka lang. Hanggang dyan ka, entresuelo ka lang.
Tama.
So, kailangan basagin mo yung pader na yan. How do you do that? By education. Now, who owns the media? Good question.
I think you already have the answer. I think, what's the color? Is it the color of courage?
Well, I'll tell you something. When you pay the media and it's a franchise, it means it's a privilege. Dapat ang eleksyon, kung ako ang presidente, ako
controlled.
Sasabihin ko ganito. Sino tumatakbo? Si Gordon, si Noynoy, si Villar, ito lahat kayo. We cannot afford it eh. Hindi tayo makaka-afford eh, right? Basta sagot na ng gobyerno ang debates. Every week, ito sa Region 1 tayo magdi-debate sa Pangasinan. Andun kayo lahat, nationwide.
Yan ang maganda.
Tapos dito tayo, sabay-sabay tayo sa Pampanga. Sabay-sabay tayo lahat. Tatanungin ka ng tao. Ayaw nila yon. Yung bata ng media, yung bata ng mga siga.
Hindi, but private enterprise naman to, you really cannot control it. We have what we call a democracy.
Private enterprise has got to step aside for the national interest. In the interest of uplifting the people of our country so that they will have a consciousness. Bagong bayan, bagong kamalayan. Kamalayan.
Senator, very quickly, because we only have 5 more minutes, and I'd like to give you that last few minutes to talk again. Basically, this time to campaign other than the other issues. Very quickly, sinabi ni Butchabad here in this very show, together with Nonong Cruz, pag hindi manalo si Noynoy, who is the trendsetter, the winner from the very beginning of this election, lalabas sila sa kalye. No less than Cardinal Rosales has said, ano ka, sira?
Tama.
No comment. Ladies and gentlemen, we bring you...
Let me ask a question of Butchabad. Napakagaling niya eh. Pag tatalo, dinaya, concludan. Pwede ko ba siyang tanongin, kamusta yung Batanes? Ang liit-liit ang bayan mo eh.
16,000 voters.
Ang liit-liit ang bayan. Siguro, pag tumakbo dyan yung mga loko, bibigyan nila ng kaliwang Adidas muna. Pag nanalo sila, yung kanan Adidas bibigay. Ganun kaliit yun. Bakit hanggang ngayon, walang hanap buhay sa Batanes?
True.
Senator Gordon, yan ang mga papasok dito. Yan ang magpapatakbo ng gobyerno ni Noynoy. Lahat na nakapaligid sa kanila, kamag-anak incorporated, yan ang magpapatakbo. Kumpara niyo ako, walang trabaho sa Subic, giba ng pinatubo, walang trabaho sa Subic, dalawang dagok, binuhay.
Binuhay.
Walang turismo pumapasok, lidap ng Abu Sayyaf, kudeta kaliwat kanan, nabuhay ang turismo. Ang tanong ko, mag-kudeta ka, pinaaral ka ng PMA, scholar ka, tapos hindi mo gustong gobyerno, kinudeta, papatawarin ka, papatakbuhin ka pa senador. At ikaw pa ang pinakamalaking gastos. Our government is not functioning. Yung secretary ni Gloria, nagnakaw ng fertilizer, tumatakbo. Yung bala ng baril, binenta sa Ampatuan, walang nakukulong.
Wala.
Our government is not functioning. And that's why I'm running. That's why I think You might call it courageous, brave. I don't care how you call it. I'm just straight from the shoulder. Diretso sa mata nyo, diretso sa utak ninyo. I have no agenda but to lift the veil, the walls from your mind, and make you free once again, enabled and ennobled by making sure you get effective, honest, and leadership that you can feel. Tanong ko sa inyo, since 1946 hanggang ngayon, nagkaroon na ba kayo ng feeling na guminhawa ang bansa natin? No. Kanya-kanya na po tayo eh. Aalis yung pupunta sa Saudi Arabia. Kumisan makukulong. That's dysfunction. We are a dysfunctional country. The husband of the president appoints the ombudsman who is related, who is... paano tayo magkakaroon ng makukulong? Araw-araw, kinapatay doon sa Comelec. Walang nakukulong. What kind of a country do we have? Di ba? Isipin nyo na lang, lumulubog yung barko, walang nababayaran. Doon sa mga lumubog, walang nakamanifesto. Pinapaandar na naman yung barko. Walang may kasalanan. This is a government that is totally dysfunctional. And I have a right as a citizen of this country. I have paid my way. I have volunteered in the Red Cross for 43 years. Hindi ako bayad. Kaya hindi nyo masasabing ako, meron akong axe to grind or... Because ako, I volunteer my work. I've been to places that these people have never been to. Nagawa yung tulay ng Tawi-Tawi dahil sinabi ko kay Gloria, binigyan kayo ng 600 million pesos ng Amerikano dyan. 6 na taon nakabarandal yung tulay. Pagawa nyo yung tulay. Ngayon ginagawa. Nagpunta ako sa Sulu. Dahil pinugutan ng ulo yung mga sundalo natin. Naglagay ako ng dugo, naglagay ako ng bomber, ng ambulansya. And yet, nakita ko, ang teacher hindi sila sweldohan. Nakita ko, yung prutas hindi binibili. Pinakuha ko ng C-130. Kaya may gera, baliwala ang arm. Kung baliwala ang arm, yun ang pures. Di ba dapat, yun ang dapat natin atupagin? Dapat yung laban natin sa Moro, hindi natin kalaban ng Moro, ginawa lang ng Kastilang kalaban natin ng Moro, in-honor natin. Sino ang nakalagay sa pera natin? Nakalagay? Sino? Kita nyo? Rojas? Noynoy? Bakit hindi nakalagay si Wenceslao Vinsons? Lumaban sa Hapon, magaling na bata, pwedeng model, Constitutional Convention Delegate, mapilindo. Yes. Bakit hindi siya nakalagay? Pinutol lang ulo niya ng Hapon. Hindi natin ginawang hero yan. Ang hero natin, ilustrado. Ang hero natin, yung mga may pera. Ang hero natin, yung marunong sumulat sapagkat makakabayad sila sa susulat para masabi ang kasaysayan ng ating bayan. Kaya walang pagbabago.
Ladies and gentlemen, Senator Gordon, thank you very much. We've run out of time. Your presence, your animation, your honesty...
It's called passion.
Your passion is so defining that people in the studio are all just awed. The sad part is how this will translate in the next 5 days. Only you will be able to make that decision. He has appealed. He's come all the way. He's been very busy running around, making time so he can talk to all of you. The problem is at the end of the day, are you going to allow media, the press has to tell you what you're supposed to think? Are you supposed to strategize and say, hindi, ang boto ko, gusto ko panalo rito? You vote from your heart. Now, Mr. Gordon, Senator Gordon's out here telling you, it's not just competence, and it's not money, and it's not just even just your experience. It's called effective leadership. Tsaka yung banta niya po, dire-diretso. You make the wrong move, you make the wrong vote, you will be the one to suffer as well. Thank you very much. My name's Harry Tambuatko. Stay with us. We have much more for you right here at the Global News Network. Thank you very much.